How to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 for free on PC. Let's start without any delay. Search Steam and go to a fickle website of Steam and download it. After downloading, open Steam. And search for Euro Truck Simulator 2. Don't worry, it's totally free. Download this and enjoy the game for free. Tip: just change your user ID again and again to enjoy your game for free.